Welcome back to my channel, dear students. So in this video we are going to learn about PUC second year physics. The chapter is about atoms. So this chapter consists of something 5 to 8 marks in your syllabus. So let us start with this atom. The first atom model was proposed by J.J. Thomson in the year 1898. See, whenever you are considering something, the particular thing, in that thing or the statement, the year should be mentioned and specifically the author's name, the scientist's name. So the first atom model was proposed by J.J. Thomson in the year 1898. The positive charge of the atom is uniformly distributed. The positively charged atom which is there, it is distributed uniformly throughout the volume of the atom, and negatively charged electrons which are there, they are embedded in it like the seeds, just like the watermelon. So this line which is there, it is trying to say us in an atom, the positively charged sphere, the positively charged at this thing, the particles are present. So the complete sphere which is there, it is a positively charged sphere. So in that, this negatively charged electrons which are there, they are embedded in the atoms just like watermelon in the seeds. In watermelon, the seeds which will be there embedded like not in a specific place but overall the red surface of the watermelon. Just like that, the negative electrons which are there, they are also present just like the watermelon seeds inside the atom. Then this model was also referred as plum pudding model of atom. This model, the J.J. Thomson atom model, is also known as plum pudding model. The number of electrons are sufficient to make the atom electrically neutral. The number of atoms, the electrons, the number of electrons which are there, they are sufficient to make the atom as electrically neutral. So keeping this diagram in your mind, you have to write this definition. This definition has two names, J.J. Thomson atom model and also plum pudding atom model. Right. So let us see what are the drawbacks of this Thomson model. So in most of the scientific things, there will be drawbacks. So for that 2 marks will be there only in your exam. So from the last year, many times this question have been asked, like what are the drawbacks of J.J. Thomson atom model. So you have to write these 2 points. Listen to me carefully. The studies show that the distribution of electrons and positive charges are very different from the proposed model. The model which is there, it is like very different from the number of protons or neutrons and the number of electrons, because the number of neutrons is equal to the neutral atoms, the particles, and the electrons are negative, protons are positive. So that thing is mentioned in this line. Then this model was completely failed. This model was completely failed to explain the H spectrum, H hydrogen spectrum, and scattering of alpha particles. This line which is there, the model was completely failed to explain the H spectrum, the hydrogen spectrum, and scattering of the alpha particle. These 2 points in one line you have to add and put. So these are the 2 drawbacks of the Thomson atom model. So after this we will be going to Rutherford atom model in the next video.